Hi, what's your name?
My name is James.
Where you from, James?
I'm from England.
What brings you to Seoul? Booze?
This brings me to Seoul, son.
Booze?
Yeah, man.
Are you serious?
Yeah, man.
There's no booze in England?
There's lots of booze in England. I live in Incheon, but I come to Seoul because Seoul is good fucking fun, like.
Wow. So what do you do in Korea?
Same as all these boys, I teach English, man.
Wow, you having fun teaching English?
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I love it, like, do you know what I mean? It's not too shabby, like, I like teaching English, but I'm gonna come back for another year, put it one way.
What about food?
Food?
Korean food. What kind of Korean foods do you like?
Galbi, something like that. But that's pretty cool. Like, I like galbi, like all the malarkey that comes with it. That's alright.
What about places? What places have you been to in Seoul that fascinate you?
That fascinate me, Jesus.
Barboom. All you can drink 3 hours.
I like Seoul, man, because like you got Hongdae, Itaewon, Gangnam, and they're all different places in the same city that you can go out and have parties in different places, like. So that's basically all I enjoy doing. Do you know what I mean?
So would you say to all your friends in England, come to Seoul?
Come to Seoul.
Okay, give them a final shout out. Give them a final shout out.
Cheers, mate.
You're right, man, everybody. Thank you very much.